Move over, beef! It's time to grill up some savory seafood. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you my new take on gyros that will transport you straight to the Mediterranean in this deliciously simple recipe for grilled cod gyro. Let's start with our salad mixture. In a medium bowl, combine a half cup of chopped cucumber, 1 small chopped Roma tomato, 1/4 cup of pitted Greek Kalamata olives drained and quartered, 1½ tablespoons of Italian salad dressing, and 1½ teaspoons of finely chopped fresh dill. Toss these ingredients to coat and set aside. Next, preheat a grill pan for direct cooking over medium-high heat and spray with avocado oil. While that's heating up, pat dry 18 ounces of Alaskan cod fillets with paper towels. Season both sides of the fish with 2 teaspoons of all-purpose Greek seasoning before moving to the grill. Grill the fish for 10 to 12 minutes or until the internal temp reaches 145 degrees, turning halfway through. Lean fish like cod are great protein choices that help fill you up while still being low in calories. On the grill, heat 1 package of Greek pita bread rounds for 30 to 60 seconds or until warm, turning halfway through. After it's cooked through, flake the fish apart and we're ready to plate. To serve, spoon some oppa tzatziki Greek yogurt dip on the pitas and top with the fish, salad mixture, and additional dill for garnish. Then, all that's left to do is enjoy. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.